beauty. Righto, just going to make myself up a bit of a toolie that I can use to cook my lunch up with. Nice little fire going down there. Nice little hot coals, perfect for actually cooking on. It's going to be magnificent lunch. But got to make myself a little spear up first, and then I'll show you what I'm going to put on the end of it. Sharpen this up first. Now for this, you want a fairly reasonably wide sort of stick for it, so what's going to go on this in a minute won't come off. And then just file that down so it's nice and flat on both sides. Looking straight on the fire, love it. That looks pretty good. So I'll get my lunch out, get this thing cooking, straight down the coals of the campfire. It's going to be sensational. Let's get out lunch. Righto, here comes lunch. Got a Kransky sausage here, and then I'm going to wrap a bit of bacon around it in a minute. You can see why that had to be flat. So when you spin it around, if that was a round stick, it would just probably keep spinning around. So, just going to put a couple of cuts in it. Oh, cockies are dropped in. Not going to be sharing lunch with those guys, I don't think, today. Righto. Put a couple of cuts in it. Beautiful. Here comes lunch. It's going to pre-cook it just a little bit. Down a bit lower. That will be perfect there. Bit of a rock on the end. And that is going to be lunch. When that gets cooked up, just a quick snack. This is going to be beautiful. Have a quick look at that, see how that side's going. Oh, look at that, toasting up, absolutely beautiful. Toast up the other side just a little bit, and I'll get the next bit onto it. How good's that look? Unreal. Good old Kransky sausage coming right up for lunch. Righto, here comes the next part of my lunch to go onto it. Have a look at that. Oh, how good's that look? Oh, smells damn good too, don't worry about that. Righto, here comes the next bit. Just want a little stick. Bit of bacon going to get wrapped around it. Like so. Where's my stick? Put a steak in it so it doesn't fall off. And just wrap that around. Oh, look at that. That bit can come off. You can go straight in there. Another bit of stick. Put that in there. Snap the end off. Look at that. Righto, let's fry my bacon up now. Absolutely magnificent. Oh, old school campfire cooking. I don't know, does it get any better? I don't think so. Love it. Love me old campfire cooking. That's great. Righto, we'll get one side cooked up, then we'll flip that over, cook up the other side of bacon. Then one last ingredient to go over the top. And that is going to be lunch. Good old Kransky sausage wrapped in bacon with a bit of extra top coming up. Alright, let's check that out, see how that side's looking. Oh, look at that. Nice and crispy, toasty bacon going on there. Let's get a bit on the other side going. And that is going to be a nice little snacky lunch. Look at that, bloody beautiful. Smell of bacon, Kransky sausage all going in one, campfire smoke, just magnificent. Have a look at that sizzling away there. Just beautiful. Righto, let's go and have some lunch, I reckon. Sit that there for a minute. That looks pretty damn good. So good. Righto, I'll go and show you where I'm going to have my lunch. Pretty damn special down here. Come and check this out. Well, check out this spot for lunch. Oh, right there with the cockies. Right on the banks of another one of the most iconic river systems in Australia, the mighty Murrumbidgee River. What a place to have lunch. Bit of mustard on top. Oh, look at that. Don't forget to pull your skewers out. Now that is lunch. Oh my God. That's so good. Give this a crack, guys. I'll be really keen to see what you reckon, whether you do it exactly the same way, or you got your own little add-ons you might put on it. But Kransky sausage, bit of bacon, mustard on top, on the banks of the mighty Murrumbidgee River. Here's my lunch. Oh, mate. Ah, fair income, they're great. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Hey, Red, I'm going to hook into my sausage. This is fair income great.